and these are some small things that you need to throw there, and then it will form like this. And then you need to join like this and the bike will form. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Ankita and Kunjwal, and my name is Kunj Patel and I am 10 years old. So today is Sunday, and every Sunday I go with my father and visit interesting places for kids. So today, can you imagine where I went? Children love to play with toys. I also like to play with toys, so I have brought this. So you got the clue? Yes, I have visited to Toy Factory. So I brought these toys and the factory person gifted me these 2 toys. So this is the duck and this is the bike. So we are going to assemble first bike. We need to break it. So you can see the die. And these are the wheels and the body of the bike. And we need to break this bike also. And this is the steering wheel of the bike. These are the small wheels. And here you have to joint it. So first of all we have to insert the wheels. This is the first wheel. Now we have to attach it. So this is the steering and this is the dicky, and the work is done. Our bike is ready. So friends, now we are going to attach the second toy, and that is the duck. Now we are going to attach it. I have made the duck with the help of my father, and you can see if the wheel turns, the wing is also gonna turn. So you can see. So now this is gonna go to other person, and this is just the outer body of both the toys. And that's for it today, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.